Hi friends, thank you all so much for stopping by today, and welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and this is the final flip through of my stacked envelope junk journal. If you missed part one of my process, I will link it down below, but it pretty much shows everything besides the decorating. I didn't film my decorating process this time around because, to be honest, sometimes I just like to sit down and decorate a project without talking, without thinking really. So I'll just put on some music and do whatever I'm feeling. And it's kind of just therapeutic in a way. It also just takes me quite a while to decorate a project like this. So I hope it's okay that I just jump right into the flip through, but I'm really excited to show you all how it came out. So let's jump right into it. I added this little envelope here to the front, just using my scraps. And there's a small little Velcro dot to close that. But inside is just this little journaling card. And I love that it had this image of the Ferris wheel here because behind the envelope, which is a tuck spot, I have this other Ferris wheel and it says Adventures Up Ahead. And you can actually just open that up and journal on the inside there as well. So that is in my little tuck spot behind the envelope. And then I just added this vellum flower piece to the side, which a lot of the pieces that I used here are from an ephemera pack from Joann's. And I think I still have the box somewhere. It was this pack here, and it had like so many pieces, 626 pieces. So I have a lot to work with. But anyway, in my side pocket here, you can see some butterflies poking through the junk mail envelope, and I've added a little tab there as well. But this is just my little card that I put in that pocket, and it says, "You are beautiful" down below. And I just added this little extra scrap strip that I had to the bottom too. But maybe a small photo would go nicely here, or I was thinking even just to journal right on the top there. So that's in my first little side pocket. And over here, I have this little list that I love to use in my journals and projects, and I just washi taped that over here onto this side. This is a little journaling card. I glued that straight on, and there's a butterfly foam taped to the corner. And then this little cactus was also from that Joann's ephemera pack, but I just thought it was so cute. The greens kind of go together. There's some greens in the washi tape, and in my little pocket here, I have another card with a tab on the side, and I thought a photo would go nicely here as well. And it says, "Let the journey begin" down at the bottom. And moving right along, I have another journaling card here. And this little piece you can flip open and write on the inside, but there's just a little label on the front. And then over here, we have my tuck spot that I created. So I just have another little list or little sheet here that you could journal on. And some more butterflies. And I just added this little ephemera piece as well to the side. And then you can see some flowers here. These are actually from Dollar Tree. And then another little ephemera piece from that Joann's ephemera pack, just to decorate the sides a bit. And over here, I just have a little pocket. So this is just a Project Life journaling card, and then another card here that you could journal on as well. And then I also have this side pocket from my envelope. So I just stuck some of this paper here for extra writing space. And this is just from Temu. I've had this in my stash for a while. And over here, this was just a big side pocket. So I have a few things in here. This piece I kind of just did a little bit of collaging on. So there's a tag, some little pieces here, and then you could journal down below here. And I've also just put together this little piece that says, I love you. And there's a little like butterfly cut out there. So just a fun little collaged piece slash journaling card. And then you could even write on the back or add a photo. And same with this one. This was just like leftover paper that I had from the same paper pad. And this one just says hello. And I've added a little butterfly sticker as well. So I think a photo would go nicely here, and then you could write about it on the back. And by the way, the paper pad that I did use, in case you missed it, is the Lovely Days paper pad here by the Paper Boutique. So moving right along, on my last few pages here, I just have another journaling card, and I added this beautiful day banner to the top. And then down below, I just have this vellum pocket. So I have a tag here, just using my leftover scraps. And then this little piece says hello, and then you can flip that up and journal all on the inside here as well. And of course, I added just a little tab for some extra decoration. But when I put that inside, I kind of just put the hello part over top of my vellum pocket there. And I forgot to show you guys the first time I filmed this, but there is a little pocket here as well for my junk mail envelope. So I have this big journaling card with some fun, colorful paper, some flowers and butterflies. So a great space for a photo or journaling once again. But that's the only thing that was in this back pocket here. And over here in this tuck spot, I just added this little space here, maybe for some extra writing, or even if you have a tiny photo you could stick in there, that would be cute too. But in this tuck spot, I just have this taller journaling card that says this day. I have some stickers, a little vellum floral piece, and you have all of this space to journal on or add photos. And then I added just another floral piece to the top there of this lid, but this part opens up, and this is my last pocket in the back. So in there, I have this little treat bag that I got from Target from Valentine's Day. And so I just utilized it as like a little pocket. So I just stuck this bigger journaling card in there, or photo mat, and it says magical moments, and I added a floral sticker as well. And you could write on the back. But I just like to incorporate these cute little bags into my journals or any of my projects, really. They're just so much fun. And how cute is that all put together? So that all goes into this larger back pocket, if I can open it up. And that's pretty much all that I did for this fun little stacked envelope journal. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this quick little flip through. I tried to just do a different style other than like the vintage inspired look that I've been doing with these types of journals. So I hope that you guys like how this one came out. I definitely love all of the florals, the bright colors, and the spring theme for this one. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to chat with you. And other than that, I will see you all in my next video. So happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.